Hi everyone, this is Susie. This is November and this is my American Dream Rose. They're still blooming. And in this video I'm going to show some parts of some videos I did in the summer that were unfinished videos of all my summer blooms, a lot of them that I planted from bulbs. I hope you enjoy. Hi everyone. Wanted to show you my dahlias as they're starting to bloom. This is a Calvin Floodlight. And this one's a Motto. And I'll keep you updated with more that are coming out. There's more buds there. A whole bunch of buds coming out on the dahlias. Gladiolus are starting to bloom. It's going to be beautiful. It's all red. More buds are coming out. And another one of my roses came out. My dahlias. More of these are opening up. That one's just starting to open. Calvin Floodlight. There's that one starting to open. Hi, this is Susie. I'm just showing some of the bulbs that I put in. This is a begonia pendula yellow. And I'll show you as they flower some of my bulbs. And over here is another begonia. It's the Piketty pink and white. Starting to flower, it's growing. And Bleeding Heart is growing. And these are some of the dahlias I put in. This one is Dahlia Duet. That one's flowering. And this one is, get a picture of that. Twining Smarty. Everything's getting buds coming out. And I'll come back and show you as they flower. Buds are coming out of all the dahlias. Buds coming out of this one too. This is flowering to one of the pots I did. I got some blueberry bushes here. That blueberry's coming out on them. And you saw my rose bushes before. I'll show you as they bloom. I got some grapevines back here. I'll be putting these in the ground pretty soon. My gladiolus didn't flower yet, but boy, it's getting huge. Hi everyone. Thought I'd show you my day lilies. These are called Night Beacon. 3 of these are opened up. Lots of buds starting to open up. And I'll show you as more open.